Hi, I'm Dean Edwards and welcome to Proper Food. Who's ready for the ultimate barbecue jerk chicken wings? The first thing we're going to do is deal with our wings. So here, I've got some whole chicken wings. I got them from my local butchers. Now, this obviously has the wing tip still on it, so all you need to do, just take a nice sharp knife, just pop that wing tip off. Do not throw these away because they make a wicked gravy. And then there's a natural seam within the wing, so just point it towards you and just pull your knife through. You get both sections of the wing, pop that to one side and repeat until they're all done. Now we need to start to build the levels of flavour. So pop the wings into a Ziploc bag, get those in there. That way we can marinate these in the fridge. So, flavours, here we go. Olive oil, first off, a couple of tablespoons going in there. And then we've got our jerk paste. Now, in case you're wondering, this is a brand I like to use. I'm not being paid to say this. Dun River, wicked jerk paste, really fiery, just what you're looking for. So a nice heaped tablespoon going in. Next into the marinade, we've got a thumb-sized piece of ginger and a couple of cloves of garlic, which has just been crushed up. So scatter those in. Now we've got some beautiful fresh thyme. So just get some of that thyme in there, sprinkle it in as much as you want. But this is such a fragrant herb, it's going to add so much flavour to this. Next up, our spices. So into the bag, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then some of this stuff, all-purpose seasoning. Now, if you can't get hold of this in your supermarkets, just use a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce or a nice sprinkling of sea salt. But we're going to add about a heaped teaspoon to this. Before I finish up, I've got one last ingredient, the zest of a lime. So just take your microplane and just get that zest in there, and we'll be using the juice later. All you need to do now is zip it closed, squeeze out some of the air, and then give it a good old mix. These wings are going to have 2 hours in the fridge now, and then it's a two-step cooking process. First off, I'm going to cook them in an oven set at 180 gas mark 4 for around 25 minutes, and then I'm going to bang them on the barbecue just to finish them off with that beautiful sweet glaze. The wings have had 25 minutes now, and as you can see, they're cooked through, but they need a bit of colour. So, I'm going to bang them on the barbecue and get them lovely and crispy. Wings are just finished off on the barbecue now, so I've got a glaze of sweet chilli sauce. I've also got some fresh lime. I'm going to baste that on, get it lovely, sticky and golden. These are going to be so good. Finish off with a squeeze of lime. These look absolutely incredible. Just to finish them off, I'm going to sprinkle on some fresh thyme. If you like this recipe, please hit that subscribe button and comment down below which sort of recipes you'd like to see me cook for you in the future. These are my ultimate barbecue jerk chicken wings. Tell you what, these are going to be damn good. not going to last long.